Well, we got some flooding going on. Kind of expected. Quite a bit of rain the last couple of days. And but it's welcome because, well, I'll show you why it's welcome. It's welcome because the pond is full. This is the first time pond has been full in, shoot, 9 months, I guess. Now, you'll remember that they revamped my dam, rebuilt my dam and the spillway and all this stuff about a year and a half ago. And this is the spillway now. And they put down a bunch of these white rocks for me to be able to cross over on, you know, without getting all bogged down and squishy mushy. And working as planned, running around this berm here. Got a nice big berm here. This is the dam, but then the dam comes out to a berm here. They made it where the water would run down there, which is what I just showed you a while ago in the very first of the video. But house is up on the hill, pond here. When it's full, it backs way up. I got a rangefinder for Christmas, and I did a test of my pond just to see how big it was, and it was like 55 yards across this way, and I think 90 yards back here to about right there. But that wasn't allowing, at the time it hadn't backed up this far, that wasn't allowing for all the backup. But so around 150 feet wide by 250 or more long, kind of oval shaped pond. But getting a lot of water from the neighbor. You probably can't see it. No, right there is a pipe, an overflow pipe from my neighbor's pond, and that's where we're going to go right now. I'll show you that. It's about 200 yards away. All right, so here's the back side of my neighbor's pond. That is his dam right there, that big berm you see. It's his cows. And that is the overflow for his pond. Now it also comes around the spillway, and I'm sure it did when the rain first came. In the height of the rain, I'm sure it was coming around the spillway as well as through that pipe. But the overflow pipe is doing what it's supposed to be doing for him. It's emptying out his pond, bringing it down to, not emptying out, it's bringing his pond down to the level it was designed for. I don't know how many feet below the dam, the top of the dam, the crest of the dam that would be, but that's what it's doing. And now I'm getting all of it, and that is good because I dadgum needed it. And this over here, that's his spillway right there. Comes around. It's not really running, but it's trickling right now maybe, but not really running. And but anyway, we got he's got a good looking Bramer bull. Young but good looking. So getting a lot of rain. We got more rain coming this week, and that is going to make it flood even more. It's going to make this pipe overflow even more, and it's probably going to come around his spillway on the side I just showed you, but it also will come around right there too. Will come around the spillway when it gets real full. Kind of a safety valve, I guess. So anyway, that's our cows. Our cows are out there munching and chewing, and everybody's happy, and pond's full. First time in 9 months. I am just tickled about that. It's 34 degrees, and dadgummit, I'm freezing to death. I'm gonna go in the house. We got a storm coming, winter storm coming. As far as I know, it's not gonna really come this far south. So I think we're going to, miss it. And but I know some of y'all aren't gonna miss it. You're gonna get caught in it, and I'll just I pray for you that you know, you don't lose your power and you don't have issues that you have to deal with that are life-threatening or property-threatening. So stay safe, take care. We're gonna be all right, I think. We're just gonna be cold, but I'm fixing to light that fire up. I turned the central heat off this morning because it was gonna stay cold all day long. And I am going to, I'm fixing to build a fire. All right, just had company drive up. We're gonna see what's going on. We're gone.